How to organize your audience on MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can organize your contacts in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, you got to log into your MailChimp account, and here at the left side, you're going to click on audience, and then you got to select all audience. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your audience over here. Now, if you wish to organize them, there are a couple of ways you can organize them as. So you can click on manage audience, and over here you can click on view contacts in order to view all of your contacts. So just click on manage audience again, and you can organize your audience within a group. So you can say that here is not in a group right now, so you can use groups to allow your contacts to indicate their interests and preferences. And if you don't need your contacts to categorize themselves and you're looking for a way to organize contacts internally, consider using tags instead. So there will be a choice for your contacts to join whatever group they want, and then you can trigger sending a particular email to that group. So you can click on create group, and you can select whether how you want the group to be, how you want the audience to select the group. So you can just select whether you want it to be a checkbox, radio button, or whatever. And then you will have group categories over here. So for example, the example is favorite ice cream, that whoever has the favorite ice cream as strawberry. So let me just correct the spellings of favorite and ice cream. Okay, so it's this one, and then we have ice cream. So once the people have the favorite favorite flavor as strawberry, so they're gonna select that group. And the people who have favorite vanilla, they're gonna select another group. So you can click on create group. So what it basically will help is that if I'm triggering an email that only specifies the strawberry flavor, so that would be sent to that group audience only. And after that, we have tags. So you can trigger, and you can trigger some tags when typing an email and when sending an email, and all of the audience within that tags would be sent that email. So you can just see what tags are over here, and you can specify and organize your audience within those tags. And then we have segments. So you can filter contacts with segments by location, engagement, activity, and more. So if you're selling a product within a specific location only, and you can categorize all of your audience according to that location, and the specific product email will be sent to that audience only. So you can click on that, and here you can select filters such as here I'm just using this example filter, that if a person has a favorite flavor ice cream, they're gonna that is kind of segment that I've added as an example. And there are also other stuff like the person who has the language English would be sent this email, and everything like that. So that is basically a kind of segment that you can filter people. So here you can see that you can also review your segment, and then you can give your segment a name. So just set a name. You can set up anything you want. For example, I'm going to type in American strawberry. Just give it whatever name you want, and then just click on save and exit. So just click on save and exit, and that was basically how you can organize your audience in MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.